Hello, everyone. Welcome back for week 3. This week, we're going to be getting into week 3 and looking at data structures. We're going to be looking at databases, how to display data, organize data, and data visualization. In chapter 3, we're going to look at the dynamic landscape of database structures. We'll talk about what a record is, what a field is, what a relational database is, and what this has to do with healthcare. But collecting data is only part of the story. With statistical software such as SAS and R, we can make meaningful conclusions about all this data that have dramatic impacts on the healthcare here in the United States and beyond. And then finally, we'll talk about data visualization. With data visualization, what we will do is take data and visually represent it so people can better understand it and believe in it. That's what we have for you this week. Please get back to me if you have any questions or make an appointment to see me during office hours. Thanks so much. Have a great week.